कंसचारूढमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरु गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः. Who will sing next? No,
I just started to sing.
Asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityormamritam gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. What is that? What is it? No, there is one more. Yes. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahe Tejasvinavadhitamastu Mahavirdvishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Okay. So, yes, you had a question? Yes, Daksha.
How am I gonna know if I don't have a book?
I will let you know.
You don't even read it.
I will let you know. Okay, let's recite chapter 2 from 21 to 29. Chapter 2, 21 to 29.
22?
21,
She's 21.
21 to 29.
You're gonna have to read the whole thing. What page is it?
21, slope number, what page it is, guys?
Who asked that?
Oh,
Chapter 2,
What chapter is this?
chapter 2, 21 slope. What page number it is, guys?
84.
84. Alia, it's page number 84, Raja. You guys are all ready? Chapter 2, 21 slope. Swara ke saath. Look with.
I have a different book.
Guys, not that loud.
Yeah, just tell them.
Okay. Krish, come on, start. 84 page number, yeah, right.
Page 84. Wait, page 84? No, that's on this book.
Start. Start, guys, start.
Why do I have a different
Vedavinshinam nityam ya enam avavyayam katham sa purusha partha kyamadayanti hantikam vasansi jirnani yatha vihaya navani grutyani naroparani तथा शरीराणि विहाजिर्नाय न्यायानि संयाति नमानि देहि नैनं छन्दन्ति शस्त्राणि नैनं दाहति पावक न चैनं खेदयन्त्यापो न शोषयन्ति मारुत अच्छेद्योऽयं मदायोऽयं सखेद्यो शोषयेव च नित्यं सर्वगतं स्थाणुं अचलोऽयं सनातन अव्यक्तोऽयम् अचिन्त्योऽयम् अकृत्योऽयं न मुच्यते तस्मादेवं विदेनव्यं नानुशोचन्तिमर्हसि अथ चैनं नित्यजातं नित्यं वा मन्यसे मृतं तथापि त्वं महाबाहो नैनं शोचितुमर्हसि जातस्य हि ध्रुवो मृत्युर् ध्रुवं जन्म मृतश्च च तस्माद् परिहोर्यर्थे न त्वं शोचितुमर्हसि अव्यक्तादीनि भूतानि अव्यक्तानि भारत अव्यक्तनिधान्यैव तत्र का परिदेवना आश्चर्यवत् पश्यति कश्चिदेनम् आश्चर्यवद् वदति तथैव चेयम् आश्चर्यवचेनं शृणोति श्रुत्वाप्येनं वेद न चैव कश्चित्. Okay. So we did till 29, but half of 29th. We didn't finish the whole 29th slope, but last week, just gonna go over a little bit about last week. So we talked a lot about last week, and actually we covered the whole question that Ishan asked, that why do we do spirituality? Why do we go on this path? Why do we have to go on this path? So what we figured out, that what everybody needs happiness. That's what everybody is looking for, nothing else, right? What we are looking for is happiness and satisfaction. Happiness is, that's what our goal is. Our life goal is happiness. Yes, I did. So we did everybody is, whoever the our living organism that are on this earth is just looking for happiness and satisfaction. These are the two goals. So we talk about, okay, happiness. Let's say, okay, if we get pleasure, we get happiness. But then later on we realize the pleasure doesn't give our long-lasting happiness, right? Then we say, okay, no, wealth gives the happiness. Then with the experience, we realize that not just wealth doesn't give us happiness forever. It's very temporary happiness that these two things bring. So not wealth, not pleasure brings happiness. Then we say, okay, no, how about religion? Living a merit life, a good life, the ethical life, all these things, would that give happiness? Then we say, no, that's not our everlasting happiness. It just gives us a discipline, right, in our life, but it's not all that we are looking for. Then the last thing we came up to is the freedom. That's what I think, ultimately give everlasting happiness. Now we talk about freedom. What is freedom, right? So, if you remember, what was pleasure? Pleasure was? Kama. Awesome. Yes?
Oh, no.
You were talking about this? What was wealth? Artha. What was religion? Dharma. Awesome, guys. So, we got all these three. We said, no. Then we came up to freedom. What was freedom? Moksha. And then we say, for moksha, for freedom, and we are not talking about freedom after life. We are not talking about freedom that after we die, then we get freedom. That's what we are not talking about. We are talking about freedom right now. While we are living, we need freedom. So is it the freedom from our body? No, because that's what happened. If we do freedom from our body, what happens? We die, right? That's where that happens after the death, right? So that's not freedom from the body. So what is it? Freedom from what?
What does that say?
M-O-K-S-H-A. Moksha. Right? Freedom for what? Yeah, from all these desires that gives us suffering, right? All the desires that gives us suffering, that's what we want to. We want freedom from the suffering, and we want to gain what? Happiness, right? Everlasting happiness, right? So that's why we talk about moksha, and that's why we want to go spirituality. Now, somebody will say, oh, Gita is a religious book. It is never a religious book. Atheists can also read and get something out of it. It never talks about, oh, do this worship, do that worship. It doesn't talk about that. So people for any religion, even atheists, can read Gita and get out of it, because it doesn't say that, oh, you do this puja or that puja or go devotion or this or that. It doesn't explain that. That's why Gita is the book for every religion, and even who doesn't follow the religion, who says that I'm atheist, they can also read Gita and get out of it. And that's why the Gita is such a universal book for everybody, right? So we talk about this. Then we talk about a lot about, the students' characteristics. What are the good student characteristics that we needed, right? In shlok number 29, the first line we talk about, there are many things that students should have, right? So really quickly, can we go through those characteristics that students should have? The first number was? Yes, Risha. What is it? Vivek. Yeah, very good. What was the second? Yes.
I don't want to say it, but I know what it is.
What is it? Huh?
I don't know how to say it.
Vairagya. Vairagya. Good job. Yeah. So Vairagya, right? Second. What was the third? Yes.
The sixth discipline.
The sixth discipline. Who's going to talk about sixth discipline?
Urja.
Yeah. Sean, you want to give first three?
First one is Shava, the second one is Dava, and the third one is Upara.
Okay, Shama Dama Uparati, right? So it is Shama, forgiveness, but more about the settlement, right? Dama was what? Internal peace is the Shama. What is Dama? Control of our senses. Yeah. What was Uparati? Withdrawal from the desires, right? From the worldly desires. What was the fourth? I already gave.
Don't know.
Why are you not writing it, Nishi?
No, I was joking because you said it. I was joking. I promise.
Okay, I didn't. Gotcha. Okay, what is fourth, Raja? You know? No? Did you write the fourth one?
It's Titiksha.
Titiksha. Good job. So Titiksha is the fourth one, right? Titiksha is what?
Spiritual
Fortitude, right?
I know what that means.
Doesn't matter. You know what does it mean. No. Titiksha, for spiritual fortitude means that you are so brave or you're tough for spirituality. Like no matter what happens, we will go. No matter what happens, like today was Holi, everybody played Holi, but still we made up for Gita class, right? So you guys all have Titiksha, right? Okay. Okay. Guys, so what was the fifth one? Samadhana. Good job. Okay. Yeah, Samadhana. What was the sixth? Settledness, right? So concentration. Good. So we got all six. What was the fourth one then? This is the sixth discipline. Yeah. Mumukshutva. Good job. No, it's good.
Oh, yeah, the sixth discipline. We didn't do
Oh, Shraddha, sorry. Yeah, sixth discipline was Shraddha, faith, right? Working faith.
She just said it.
No, but those are the ones that students need to have it, right? Then let's talk about what was the Mumukshutvam?
Intense desire of learning.
Intense desire of learning, right? Okay, so that's the Mumukshutvam. So those were all the characteristics the student should have when they are reading spiritual or any goals that you are going to be pursuing. You have to have these characteristics to get to the goal, right? So make sure you keep this handy when you decide your goals. You want to become this. Keep this list on your table so you can say, okay, did I get this? Did I get this? Am I doing these things, right? So that's going to help you guys. Now let's go to the second line now, right? So in that shlok it says, first thing I want to tell you that if you look at the shlok, Ashcharya, yeah. So it says Ashcharyavat pashyati kaschidena. Enam means they are at the end every shlok it's saying enam means this. These means what is he talking about? This. In this soul, right? This soul is, wonder. Everybody is wondering about what? This. But Krishna Bhagavan says this. Now, what does this mean in this shlok? This means this Atma, this soul, what he is talking about, this self that he is talking about, right? So he talks about the self here and he says, the self here is not an object, right? So now you will say, there is only one subject, everything else is object. We talked about this before in one of the shlok it came, right? That only Atma is a subject, everything else is an object, right? You will say, how come? That doesn't sound right, because there are so many subjects. Right here there are 20 kids sitting, they are all subject, right? Then you will say, no, this is not right. How come why are you saying that just Atma is a subject, everything is object? Yeah.
Is it because like the soul is what makes up the subject, so technically the soul?
Yeah. So what happened? Yes, Daksha.
How am I gonna do the lines if I don't have any Gita book?
I know, I will give you the Gita book. How about
You don't even read it.
That's okay, you keep the
What do
Gita
you
book.
mean I do?
I know. He does. He will read it. Okay. So guys, what happened is, there is no subject other than Atma, as we discussed before. The consciousness is only subject. Everything else is object. Anything that you know is an object. Anything you don't know is an object too, right? So what happened is, when we talk about that only Atma, only self that we are talking about is a subject and everything else is an object, we talk about, oh, there are 20 here subject. What are you talking about? But think about your experience. Take your experience, right? Everything that you see, you touch, you look at it, isn't that an object for you? Right?
Yeah.
So you will say, hey, what about my neighbor who is sitting next to me? If they are looking at me like, am I not a subject? Why are you taking me an object? But they are like, other than you, everything else is an object. What you are looking at your neighbor is that they are a body, right? And how they behave, how they experience, how they talk. So all these things are object to you, right? So only one subject is in the world, is you. Everything else, even the other neighbor, your neighbor human being that is sitting next to you, is an object, right? Because what you see in the other person, do you see their souls?
Hopefully not.
No, right? So what do you see there? You see the body, how they behave, how they speak. Those things are an object, right? So everything is an object except yourself. In your experience is only subject. Everything else is an object, right? You got that point here? So that's how it says Imam in this shlok when they are talking about it. One second. So they talk about it as this self, yourself that we are talking about, your consciousness is the only subject. Everything else is an object, right? Yes.
Is happiness an object?
Yeah, everything is subject because it's an experience. It's an experience, right? So experience is all an object, right? Good job. So what happened in the second line in this shlok, like how we discussed about what kind of student it has to be. So it says that for people who are speaking about it, is also thinks about this thing, means self consciousness, as a wonder, right? So now they are talking about speaking. Who is speaking about it? The teacher speaks about it, right? So first line they talk about student. Second line, when they say the person who is speaking about it is also think that this thing is wonder. So that means the teacher is also saying that is wonder. Like how the student has to be having some kind of characteristic, same as teacher has to have some kind of characteristics too, to make people study these characteristics, right? So like how I was looking at the characteristics in you guys have to look at these characteristics in me also, right? So I'm going to tell you about those characteristics now. So because this subject, we cannot see it, we cannot touch it, there are no language to express, no words to express this Atma, because nobody sees it. How can you describe about it? There's no language to express this, right? So it's hard for teacher to express that, what they are teaching. So they have to have particular kind of characteristics to explain these, right? So then the characteristic, they actually describe 4 characteristics for teachers. The first one is Brahmanishta. Brahmanishta means the part that you are, the teacher has to be dedicated to on the spiritual seeker path. Like they have to be spiritual seeker. If they are not, then they cannot teach this thing. Yes.
How do I spell that?
Brahma, Brahmanishta. By the way, these are my characteristics, so you don't have to write them now.
Oh.
I'm just kidding. These are teachers' characteristics, so you can when you become teacher, get these characteristics. Then you can write.
What characters then?
I'm joking.
Okay.
You better give it to me.
Brahmanishta.
So unprepared.
Actually,
Well, actually, I have
Brahma
this.
Nishta. Brahmanishta. Yeah. What do you guys want? Anything? Okay. Brahmanishta is the first. Hey guys, we have to finish this really quickly. So I will keep moving, okay? Brahmanishta is the one the teacher should be dedicated towards this path of spirituality. If they are not dedicated towards this path of spirituality, they cannot teach it, right? Number one, they have to know it, right? The second one is Shotriya. Shotriya means the teacher should be, teacher should have the knowledge of it, right? They should be expert in they should have knowledge on Vedanta. If they don't have the knowledge on it, they should not teach it, right? The third one is akampaham. That means the teacher should not have any worldly desires from the students. Like they should not think about anything in return of these subject that they are teaching, right? So it's not that the teacher is thinking about, oh, you know, my students should give me money or gifts or something. That should not be there when they are teaching this. So these three characteristics the teacher should have it to make sure that they can make this subject go well, right? Got it? So these are three teachers' characteristics. Now, what happened after these two lines? So we talk about student, we talk about teacher. Now what happened is, we already talked about these two. Now third line, it says the people who know about it, right, still thinks that it is a wonder. Now who knows about it, right? So the teacher might have taught student about it, so now the student knows about it, the teacher knows about it, right? So they are talking about the person who knows about it still have wonder. So now what happens is, after you learn, there is a stage come, which is you have doubts, right? There are two kind of doubts that comes. One doubt is where kids start thinking it's impossible. This cannot happen. This is wrong. I don't understand this. This doesn't happen. This doesn't come in the place. I have no clue what is this, what teacher is teaching. And a lot of you guys are going through that, right? I don't know what Sonal auntie is saying every Sunday. I don't understand that, but I don't know what to do it. So that's one kind of doubt.
Are we at page 97?
I am not in that. Yeah, you're right. You are so right, Raja. Wonderful, yeah.
Good job. That's your amazing.
So that is one kind of confusion. The second kind of confusion is when they think we know about it, we got the knowledge, but we cannot live in everyday life, right? If you say that, think about yourself as Atma all the time, that doesn't happen, right? So there are two type of confusion. So the first confusion where somebody thinks that, oh, I cannot have this, I don't understand, this is not possible, this is impossible. The impossible kind of confusion, when that happens, that has a medicine of what? What can we do to resolve that? So we did Shravanam, right? We did Shravanam means we know it. You remember a couple class ago I taught you about Shravanam? That is about listening and learning about it. What was the next step? When the doubt comes, what do you do?
Rethink.
There was a word that I gave you guys.
Was it a Hindi word or English?
A Hindi word.
Ah.
Look it into your notes, you will
How
find
many classes ago was this?
Shavada. Then comes, okay, not to waste your... Mananam. Good job. Mananam, right? So after Shravanam, so you know about it, now you know the entire subject. Now what do you do is, when the doubts come, you mananam. So mananam means going back to the class, going back to the teacher, asking all the doubts. Hey, I had this doubt, I think this is not possible, what should I know? So there is all the question, there is answer to every question, right? So you go back and do mananam. Then the third one comes, right? The third outcome. Yes, Raja. Let me ask the question so everybody understand. I know you are ahead of the game. So the question is, Now the teacher, the student knows about it, got all the knowledge, right? All the doubts are clear. Now comes the stage where it says, I cannot live that in everyday life. So what is the medicine to that? Nididhyasam. Good job. Yeah. So then what do you do there? You meditate, you practice that in every day, little by little, and then it starts becoming bigger and bigger, right? So that's how it goes. Good? You got it? So that's the 29th slok. That's how it explains you. It explains how the teacher behave, how the student behave, how the person who knows and doesn't believe in it, impossible doubts come, what do they do? And the fourth step is when the doubts are clear, everything is clear, the fourth stage come where you can go ahead and live that by doing meditation. Yes.
So after the shloks and stuff, can I learn a bit about Holi, like about the festival itself?
Yes, we can.
I don't know much about it.
Okay,
Me
we can do
too.
that. Sure. So let's do the 30th shlok because we have to move forward. Okay, then we will do Holi. Okay, Reha, you ready with 30th shlok?
Like the 30 text?
Yes.
Alright. So
You
this
guys are
one,
ready?
this one.
Yes, Raj.
You got this.
Okay. Reha, you ready?
Yep.
Okay, guys, let's let Reha lead it. Go ahead.
92.
Reha, guys, 1 minute. Reha, hold on. Guys, she already started. Can you guys come to the page number? What is the page number? 94 page number. Alia, 94 page number, guys. Come on. Shh, Krish. Okay. Yeah, Reha, now start.
Dehi nityam avadyoyam
Dehi nityam avadyoyam
Dehi sarvasya bharata
Dehe sarvasya bharata
Tasmat sarvani bhutani
Tasmat sarvani bhutani
Natvam shocittum arhasi
Na tvam shocittum arhasi. Together. Dehi nityam mahadyoyam Dehe sarvasya bharata Tasmat sarvani bhutani Na tvam shocittum arhasi. Okay. So in this shlok, Krishna Bhagavan is closing the subject and saying that, in this embodied the soul that cannot be slain, right? In other shloks, he already told you that it cannot be slayed by it cannot be cut by a weapon, it cannot be dry by air. So the soul never dies, right? No death, no birth. So Arjun, don't grieve on any creatures. So that's what he's saying. Don't grieve on any creature. And that's how he's stopping this topic of soul and Atma and what you are describing about self. He's saying that don't grieve. So in Shlok 11, 25, 28 and now 30. The 4 times he said stop grieving about it. And 4th time he gives you a different answers about not to grieve. Like first 11th he said, you remember 11th Shlok, he said that don't grieve, wise men don't grieve on living or dead, right? Then on 25th he says again, don't grieve, there is no death and no birth and no death, so don't grieve. Then in 28th he says again that don't grieve because it cannot be slain. Now on 30th one he is again saying don't grieve, just have a knowledge about yourself, right? And don't grieve. So now at this point he's changing his pace. Now he's going to the next slok where he's going to change his whole pace and he will talk more about not all these Vedant. So far he was talking about Vedantic knowledge, what your self is. Now he's switching his gear taking towards Karma Yoga, where he's going to say about, hey, your how your sense of honor, your ethical life should go, right? So he's actually trying to explain, you don't understand this, that's okay, let me make you understand it the easier way, right? So We will start with 31st next week, but we're gonna play a little game here first, okay? And Ansh, you're gonna start with 31st to, yeah, you can close the book. You can keep your notes open. So online people, you guys are all, guys, Nishi. Okay, guys, everybody has to be very quiet to understand it. Everybody, guys, have to be very quiet to understand all the rules, and you have to sit on your place. You just have to, from here, this side, can you move this side so I can see a clear demarcation between this? Just little scoot there. Yes?
When did the chapter 2 start?
Okay, guys, online kids, you guys are also in a team. There is a team Arjun and there is a team Krishna. Move this side. Okay. Okay. And Arjun team. So Darshan, you are in Arjun's team. Reha, you are in Arjun's team. And Karnu, you are in Arjun team, okay? And Alia and Darshu are in team Krishna, okay? I'm gonna move
You said Darshan's name twice.
Oh, sorry. So Dhruv is in Krishna team, and Darshan is in Arjun team, okay? I'm gonna turn you guys around, and you can see who is in your team and who is in the other team, okay, guys? This is Krishna team and this is Arjun team. Okay, now ready for the rules?
Guys, be quiet.
Okay, guys, you ready for the rules? Okay, I'm gonna give one person from each team a sentence or a word or a phrase, right? One kid has to come from each team, and I will give them a phrase, a word, or a sentence, and you have to explain them by doing action, right? Charades, right? So you're gonna give the, yeah, charades. Okay. So now here is the thing. You will have, both of the team will have 3 minutes. Nishi. I will ask you to read the whole second chapter if you say a word again. Okay. So you will have 3 minutes to explain your team they have to answer it in 3 minutes. If you cannot get in 3 minutes, both the team, whoever gets the first will win it. If your team cannot get it, you will get another 30 last seconds to do a final one, to just decide what it is, and then come up with, if answer is right, you get the 1 point. If your answers are not right, then you don't get the point, right? Let me explain all the rules and then I will answer your question.
How many points do we need?
1, and whoever wins, whoever more points. Yeah, will win. Okay, so 1 point for each answer. And then, see, I will explain you after. Let me finish the whole thing. And then, you know, guys, you don't have to yell or anything. You just have to talk to your team and then say the answer together, right? Not just one person is just giving the answer, or 20 kind of answers are coming. You guys have to decide among yourself what it is and then give the answer. Because both the teams will go together. Are you guys understanding that?
Wait, so one of our... Oh, wait.
It's like
They'll do it
downstairs.
together?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, so like they'll be acting the Krishna side and we'll be acting the Arjun side.
Yes.
What if you don't know it? Because I haven't been here the whole time.
That's okay. Don't know. What you can do. Okay, you guys are ready? Yes, yeah, you had a question?
What if we don't know what the word means?
That's okay. Then you will not get the point.
You have to act out Krishna and I have to act out Arjun.
I know our teams will be guessing.
Never mind.
Okay, you guys are ready?
Yes.
Okay, you guys are ready here?
I said that
You
I'm
guys are ready?
I don't know.
You can take that one into the video is which is you just do the video. Continue the video here.
okay.
Are we like to do that?
How do you flip it? या फिर यूँ कर दो मैं कुछ फ्लिप करना नहीं है
मतलब वीडियो I'm not taking picture, okay?
I know, it's here.
Who's coming first from each team? Come on.
You know what? I'll just start off.
I suck.
I think it's a part for you. No, I couldn't think you.
Chris is going.
Nishi, how to turn this
Team
thing?
Krishna.
You can't turn it.
Oh, okay.
You have to hold it.
It's not like I'm gonna know anything anyway.
Who's coming next? From your team.
Oh my god, what? Okay, Orchard's for Team Archie and Nishi's for Team Krishna.
She's gonna make fun of me.
Nisha, you can do it.
No, you're not.
You can do it. We have to do the word. She did the act.
I'll just hold it.
Hey, you're going to
Oh.
Can I have my notes? Thank you. Sorry. You want mine? Mine is better.
Do you actually know the words?
Yeah, I'm gonna put the timer starts now.
Can we get a stool
Okay,
here?
okay, hold up.
Can we get a stool here?
Yeah.
Alright, wait, don't
We didn't see. Okay.
Two words.
Don't act.
You can do that.
Two words.
Spinning.
Two words.
2 syllables.
Next slide. Next slide.
Next one.
Can you guys see?
Can you guys see everybody? Okay, who's
We won.
coming next?
We won.
Anshu, come on, go. Sorry.
Oh,
I didn't get that. I just got the card.
They didn't understand what's happening. They were like 2 words. I said 2 words. You couldn't even do that. I said 2 words. Everyone was screaming. That's all.
Go ahead.
Atma is the only subject. Atma is the only real thing.
No, what are we? What is our goal?
Subject.
You guys
then like we'll see both of them.
We're gonna put on the TV.
Yeah, put on the TV.
I thought you did it again.
Wait, who's in whose team?
Darshan is in this
Bro, who's that?
Wait, who's going? Yeah, who's going? Darshan and
It's real. It's real.
what
It's real. It's real.
And then Drew is like,
Okay, Dhruv is going.
I thought it was Atma and you. No,
Okay, Dhruv is active.
Let's go.
Who's in Team Archer?
LeBron
Oh, okay, never mind.
Party. Get up. How the two people on Zoom do that? Yeah, one of them from online, one from us. Someone has to go up.
Oh, for us?
Yeah, one has to go up. There's
I'm strong.
Drew's going.
Party, just get up.
I'm not going. I suck. Me too.
Okay, you can be fine.
Guys, it's Zoom and Darshan. No, she said it was. She said it was. She said one of us.
I heard Drew and Darshan, so I was like, what? She's like,
Okay, Dhruv and Darshan are gonna be
that's so mean.
Right there.
Don't worry, I suck more than you.
We're gonna privately chat to you guys.
Hey, no looking.
I suck more than you. Stop. What that look, dude? Yeah, exactly. Right there.
Next yourself.
The whole pod gets recorded. There's no editing involved either.
Yeah, no,
Oh my god, editing's involved.
Pizza buns. Good job. Tell me what pizza buns are.
What are they even doing?
They're being annoying. That's what they're doing.
Okay, yeah. Pretty self-explanatory. I do. We are tired. Okay, that's how I'm gonna look at I would always like my team. Because I would rely and I would be like, no, for the lead. Like, I would try to like actually do it. Yeah, there's like 3 instead of actually just like,
Wait, no, don't pay him. We also need. Don't pay.
no, that's ours.
Yeah, let's go. Wait, who's in whose team?
Darshan's
That's
ours.
ours.
Okay,
Remember whenever your
3, 2, 1, go.
Happy words.
Atman.
Body. Keep a point. Subject. Object.
Shut up.
Strong. Soul is strong. That's a word now.
Powerful. How many words? Darshan, how many words?
Can you hear
So
her?
now-
Strong soul. Strong soul.
Strong soul.
Doesn't have anything to do with strong.
Muscle.
Okay, nothing.
Right there.
Something to do with soul.
Building. Learning.
Strong self. Strong self.
Levitating.
I'm levitating.
Strong.
And like
Strong body.
Mental fortitude, spiritual
Look at
fortitude.
your notes.
Strength.
Oh, look at your notes, guys.
I got it.
Wait, what'd you say?
Spiritual fortitude.
Y'all are so loud for spiritual fortitude.
That was one of my memory words. I'm trying to remember. I was like, you are strong. I am strong. Soul is strong. You're not strong. Don't get it again. Good job.
It's one of the 6 disciplines.
Okay, who's coming next?
Not me.
Hands go, come on.
Should I go?
Yeah, you go.
Yeah,
Dutch. You should have Dutch go.
Dutch and John B go next.
Yeah. We should have Dutch and John be next. Did you say me?
You can't.
Oh, okay. You can. Until I'm 6 words. Guys. Okay. 6 words. Hair, body, soul. Body.
Ducks and zombie.
जल्दी आ.
No, you guys did this one.
At least I went.
Actually, he might be pretty good. That's all we did during the snowstorm. Charade.
You told me didn't you go? Dude, they're telling you to. Yeah, I didn't want to either, but I went.
Yeah, I kind of made you. What's this place? 3-1? Oh, that's lovely.
It's hard. Cause acting. It doesn't matter about like how good you are.
I don't even know anything.
Mine is that hard to act out. But I was like, it's done, not done, it's done.
Okay, I'm hard.
Krishna's Arjun's teacher. Krishna's Arjun's teacher. Arjun's Krishna's disciple.
Krishna something. Krishna came down to her.
Krishna taught the Gita.
Wait, what word is Krishna? Which word is Krishna?
Krishna taught.
Is it the first, second, third, or fourth word? First word. Krishna. Keep going. Keep going. Krishna. You can go third,
It's
fourth, second
Krishna's
word.
first word. Krishna sitting by the river.
Dead.
Krishna.
Krishna explains the Gita.
Oh, the chariot guy.
Krishna's the charioteer.
Krishna explains Gita.
Krishna's chariot.
Krishna's Arjun's charioteer. No, she got it first.
Krishna is. I got it first. Krishna is Arjun's chariot. I got it first. Oh yay!
Oh god.
Did you even act it out?
I got it.
No, stay back. No cheating.
Mama, remember to set the 3-minute timer.
Stop it. Give me my notes back.
We're both know-it-alls.
Give it back. No, here's hair. Give it back.
My God.
Your mind is in a dark place.
He's like all the way across the room. Yeah, he finds a way to.
Wait, who's this gonna be sent to?
પેરેન્ટ્સ ને બતાવીશું કે તમે લોકો કેટલું ટોક કરો છો.
You know what you said on camera? You know what y'all said on camera? I raised my eyebrows on that. Oh wow. No, you don't understand the other thing though.
Oh my god.
Stop!
Words.
7.
7, 6.
Six is seven.
Hey, you can't cheat. He's.
Bro, we have to get started. You know that is.
She's not starting yet. She's like, okay, tell us.
We all play the words. Six disciplines.
No, you're not. Soul.
Pleasure,
Atma.
wealth, and
Body. Object. The third word is body.
Freedom.
You cannot.
You can do that.
three bodies. Scary bodies. Scary bodies.
Dead.
Body
Body dies, but soul is
Body is not determined. Body is not an object.
Body goes around, but soul stays the same. Body goes through.
બોડી એક વર્ડ છે પછી પૂછો.
Body goes through changes.
But soul.
Body. Yup. Body is yup.
We literally said
4-3.
Y'all
4-3. Who got it?
No, it's not 4-3. It's not 4-3.
શું વર્ડ હતો બેટા?
Body is subtle.
We said it way before.
ચેડો થોડી હોય
Okay, next who is coming?
એવું કરીને બોડી અને એનું
You want to try?
Neil, no.
Wait, so what's the score?
It's 4-3. 3.
Y'all are winning.
No, you guys.
Sit down.
5-3.
4-3.
It's 4-3.
We both got points for that, even though we should have got the points because we said it way before.
Like we should have gotten the points.
No, Ursha said
I
it.
said it way before.
Ursha said it. Ursha said it. No, but Ursha said it.
Yeah, I said it first. Well, that's fine.
I was Jonathan boy.
Okay, happy words.
Guys, do it here. They cannot see it.
And 3 words. 3 words. Worldly desires. You.
Atma's everywhere. We already got it. Atma's everywhere.
Go. Nice acting. No, I'm not even using my nose.
Okay, come on, next.
I searched 4-4. Oh, I want to do it. Actually, no, I don't want to do it.
Duck, sit down.
You did not come.
And they can see.
Okay, so which 4? This breaks the tiebreaker. This breaks the tiebreaker.
That is the tiebreaker.
What?
This is the tiebreaker.
Yeah,
It breaks the
it breaks
tiebreaker.
the tie.
No.
A
Tiebreaker.
Yeah,
breaks
you
the
like
tie.
us, right? This breaks the tie.
Really? You do?
This breaks the tiebreaker.
Come on, quickly go, come on. 3, 2, 1, go.
How many words?
Just
11 words. What are we here like?
Votes.
11 words.
The body is not.
You are not the body. You are the body.
We are not the
We are the body. We are the mind. The body needs to light. The body needs to body. We are the soul. We are the soul. I said it first. I said it first.
We said it first. We said it first.
No, I said it before you guys. I said it before.
She didn't do it.
I said it right before Sean.
Yeah, she
I said it right
did.
before you. I did.
You got it. You got it.
She started crying.
Okay.
Because she was gonna
She
act and
cried.
she got
She got scared. She cried.
Sit down.
John Means.
Sit down, guys. Sit down.
We won.
I said it before Sean. I heard Sean say it after. I was saying it. He was repeating what I said. I
Can you guys be quiet for one?
Can the last one not count for the person who wasn't here? Our person.
Can you be quiet? Okay, online. Karnu, are you going, Raja?
Yeah, but we had 4 before. I guess the last one.
Karnu and Alia, can you go?
You're right there.
Wait, we have one more.
Oh, yeah.
Karnu,
Tuisha really wants to know. She has
No, I don't. I'll cry too.
Wait,
Okay, can I go again?
Can I go?
Yeah.
Again?
Again, नहीं, पहले let's finish
Tuisha
again.
can go. Tuisha
Can I
can
try
go.
again?
Varshini did
Can
not.
I try again?
Come on, Reha.
That's no. Let other people go.
Tuisha.
Wait, Mama.
And then fly.
Kurt, are you there?
You can hardly see us. You can barely. Okay, there we go. Hello.
They are all
We got it.
John B.
It's 4 It's 4.
How old is John B? Wait, 7? 7. Yeah.
So it's
Okay,
4.
come on,
It's
last
4
one.
like 4
Last
hours.
one is coming.
Tuisha asked.
Okay, so he's coming last year.
Tuisha's coming.
Tuisha.
You have to. You have to. You're our only hope.
That's good.
You win.
We would block champ if you go.
That'll come out of this.
There's no way. But they're not guessing. Harvey, you got this. Oh wait.
As easy as possible.
Yeah. You think his body?
We got scammed of a point. That was our point. I heard
No,
you.
wait,
I heard
we
you say it
didn't-
after I said it.
We
I
got
heard
to
you.
round 4.
I said it before.
We're better than y'all. You're just so random.
No, the last one.
Arrow, can you yeah.
The flash can you better than
Yeah, come on. Ready, go.
How many words?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Happiness is good. Happiness is good. Mary.
What did I say?
Oh, moksha.
You get good.
It's the four happiness.
If you get good married, then
You
you
get
If you get good married, you get good high. Good married.
Okay, don't even try.
Well, we had half of it.
Yeah, I got half of it.
I said.
How do I act out karma?
Let's do it.
Just do an action.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
Okay, guys, sit down.
You didn't do it.
Okay, guys, both team played very well, and thank you for participating. It was very much energetic. All of you guys got right answers, so I'm very happy that whatever we study, we got it, right? It's in our brains now. Okay, so that was my satisfaction. Okay, come on, let's close it. Vasudeva Sudam Devam Kamsha Charunamardhanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadguru Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Gurur Sakshat Para Brahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Bye guys.